In this video, we'll look at some of the rules associated with exponents. In problem number 1 here, we see negative 5a to the second power. Exponents simply mean to rewrite these terms according to the number of times the exponent indicates. So since we have an exponent of 2, we'll rewrite the negative 5a twice. And then we multiply. Negative 5 times 5 would give us a positive 25. And a times a would give us an a squared. Notice that that's the exact same answer we would get if we had taken negative 5 to the second power times a to the second power. And this can only be accomplished because the original parentheses did not have a plus or a minus in it, only a multiply. Another property we have with exponents is when we multiply. So let's take a look at problem number 2. Notice that n squared means for us to do n times n. And n to the fourth would mean to multiply n by itself 4 times, giving us n times itself 6 times, or n to the sixth. A shortcut we could use here would be to add the exponents 2 plus 4 to give us n to the sixth. So, in number 2, we learned that when we multiply, we can actually add the exponents. So 3, you might guess that we would subtract these exponents, seeing as a to the 5th is being divided by a to the 8th. But the question is, where should we place that 3? Because we agree that 8 minus 5 is 3, giving us a to the 3rd, but will we place it in the top or the bottom? You'll need to look for the largest exponent in the original problem. This will indicate for you whether you should place the a to the 3rd on the top or the bottom. So since the a to the 8th is in the denominator, we will place a to the 3rd in the denominator as well, leaving us a 1 in the numerator.